In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge duplicate accounts in QuickBooks Online. If you've noticed two accounts in your chart of accounts that are really meant to be the same, QuickBooks gives you a simple way to combine them. This can help keep your books cleaner, reduce confusion, and make your reports more accurate. The key is to carefully update the duplicate account so it matches the account you want to keep exactly. Start by logging into QuickBooks Online. Once you're signed in, go to the Settings menu by selecting the gear icon. From there, choose Chart of Accounts. This is where all of your accounts are listed, including bank accounts, expense accounts, income accounts, and other categories used to organize your financial activity. Next, find the duplicate account that you want to merge. Open that account so you can edit its details. Be sure you're working on the duplicate account, not the main account you want to keep. This matters because QuickBooks will merge the account you're editing into the matching one. Now update the account name. Change it so it is exactly the same as the account you want to merge it with. And when I say exactly the same, I mean every detail should match. Even small differences can prevent the merge from happening properly, so take a moment to double-check the spelling and formatting. After that, make sure the account type and the detail type also match the account you want to merge into. QuickBooks uses these fields to determine whether the two accounts are truly compatible. If the types don't match, the system won't be able to combine them, so it's important to confirm these settings before moving on. Once everything matches, click Save. QuickBooks will recognize that you now have two accounts with the same name and settings, and it will prompt you to confirm the action. When that prompt appears, click Yes, Merge Accounts. QuickBooks will then combine the duplicate account into the matching account. Before doing this, it's always a good idea to review the accounts carefully, because merging cannot be easily undone. Taking a few extra seconds to verify the account name, type, and detail type can save you from cleanup later. And that's it. Once the merge is complete, your chart of accounts will be more organized and easier to manage in QuickBooks Online.